Hello everyone. Quickly, I want to explain AppSumo affiliate program and the benefits of using AppSumo affiliate program, right? So the first thing we'll need to look at is how does it work? Well, you sign up, you apply to the program, and within minutes, it's free and it's easy. It's not one of those affiliate programs that ask you to pay money. Because look at it, you are helping them make money, you are promoting the stuff for them. So why would you be paying money? So it's free and it's easy. And then you go through. So advertise simply means you promote the deals and the software. So either you're making YouTube videos, you're writing blog posts, or you're posting on Twitter and then sharing the link and stuff like that. And whatever platform you use to promote affiliate deals or whatever platform you have audience or attention is where you can promote. So the fact that I say the advertise doesn't mean you have to go and start running ads for stuff like that. No. And the next thing is you get paid. You earn 100% of sale up to $50 in commission whenever a new AppSumo customer you send us make a purchase. Returning customer commission vary based on contract terms, right? Now, so with AppSumo, you get 100% of the sale up to $50 in commission. So it's the cap is at $50, right? But the thing is, a lot of people buy stuff for a new member, but then for returning member, if a returning member uses your link to buy, you you get based on the contract terms. So it's you get unlimited commissions up to $50. You returning commands move from 0 to 15% based on contract terms, right? You get cash bonus opportunities. You get access to win special prizes and contests. You unlock affiliate only materials, right? Tour form access to check your dashboard. I think the platform they use is Impact Radius. I'm an affiliate on AppSumo, so the platform they use is Impact Radius. Now the sweet thing about AppSumo stuff, because one of the important thing when you're signing up for an affiliate program is the cookie length, the cookie duration. So what does cookie duration simply mean? It means if someone clicks on your affiliate link, right, to go to AppSumo platform, like how long do they need to like wait before that sale will no longer be attributed to you, right? That's what cookie length means. So what that means is simple. If I share the link and I post, oh, this tool is amazing, you guys should get it, and you click on the link, right? You might look at the stuff and say, wow, this tool is really great, but I don't want to buy it now. I want to buy maybe 3 or 4 days time, right? When you buy it in 4 days time, you go straight to AppSumo and buy it in 4 days time. I will still get a commission as long as it's within 7 days, right? So that's the cookie length. Well, it's not that bad, okay? It's not that bad. And once in a while, you can get sponsored by AppSumo. You can participate wherever you live. Okay. Do I still if someone clicks on a product on my side and purchase a different product? Yes, as long as it's the last one they click, you receive commission for any qualified purchase. So with AppSumo, someone clicks on your link, it doesn't matter what they buy, you get commission for it. So you get paid 60 days after the end of the month in which your purchase was made. So why do they pay you 60 days? It's simple. AppSumo has a policy where people can refund, they can ask for a refund within 60 days of buying a software. So they have to wait for 60 days before they know that, okay, the customer did not ask for a refund, before they can then say, okay, let's give you your money. Because this is it. If someone sells stuff for $100 and the customer asks for a refund, like even though they seem like you made a sale, you didn't actually make a sale because it's more like you sold something, someone returned it and asked for their money back. So at the end of the day, they can't pay you until they wait for that 60 days to be over. If not, they will be losing money, and it doesn't even make sense. You get right. So that's AppSumo affiliate program. It's a nice program to join. You get access to all these things, and AppSumo is a company that is making a lot of money. It's making sales, right? Let me go check AppSumo revenue. Let's see AppSumo, because before you join the company, you want to see, is this company making sales? Are people buying the stuff out there, right? First of all, they have 1.5 million members on AppSumo. So that's the audience, right? People that are registered on AppSumo, that these are members, right? Now you can promote to new users, people that they've never heard of AppSumo before, right? And you can also promote to old users, right? let's see 2024. Let's see if we'll see something like that. You can also promote to old users. You have about 1.5 million people to promote for old users. But then if you go to new users, it's unlimited number of persons you get. Right? So our AppSumo is with a 127 team in 2024. So they made $80 million. Right? That's a lot. You can just take your own cut. So they are making sales already. So it's not like, oh, $80 million, a company that makes $80 million in revenue. It's purely sales, right? I'm not saying profit or anything, it's sales. That's not, not bad. You can take your slice from it too. Okay, so that's the program. It's really nice to join. If you love to join the AppSumo affiliate program, the link is in the description. You can use it to join the affiliate program and sign up and then start making videos and promoting. If you love to see how much I make on AppSumo as an affiliate, if you love to see a video on that, please let me know and I would make that video if you're interested in seeing that kind of video. Okay, until next time, it's wisdom.